we're going to be starting up the 1901 Wolseley, so I'm going to take you through the procedure that needs to be done before we can start it. Right, firstly we need to turn the fuel on. The fuel tap is here, located in the centre of the vehicle on the bulkhead. We just pull this brass tap into the on position. Then moving to the front of the vehicle, we are going to flood the engine before starting, so we'll open the bonnet. So this is the float bowl, this is our needle valve, so if we pull the needle valve up and hold it until fuel drips out of the overflow, this has then flooded our engine in preparation for starting. Right, now the fuel system is primed to go, we'll shut the bonnet. Moving around here, we need to switch the oilers on. This engine runs a total loss oil system, so the oil tanks here are turned on to feed oil into the engine. There are two banks of oilers, one feeds the engine and one feeds various parts of the gearbox as well. Once the oilers are turned on, we need to set our control levers into the starting position. One controls the ignition timing and one is the throttle control. The ignition timing needs to be set so it's in line with this collar, and the throttle needs to be between a quarter and halfway open. This engine has a decompressor on it. This lowers compression of the engine to help you turn it over easier. You need to pull the decompressor out and turn it so the lugs are no longer located into the grooves. Right, now we're ready to start the engine. To do this we need the starting handle. This engages it here. With this engine you need to crank it over at a reasonable speed and then flick the ignition on and hopefully it starts. So I'll now demonstrate this. Once it is running you need to quickly turn the decompressor back round so the engine gets its full compression, so it has full power. Now we're sat in the vehicle, we adjust our timer down a couple of notches to give us a bit of power, leave our throttle where it is for a nice tick over, engage first gear, release the handbrake and then gently pull away.